The One Fire Nightlight for Kids' Room is a charming and practical addition to any child's nursery or bedroom, designed with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. This nightlight features a cute bunny design that symbolizes luck, wisdom, and hope, making it an appealing companion for children. It is especially popular among kids who enjoy anime-style and kawaii-themed items, and it serves as a comforting presence during bedtime. The product is marketed as a perfect gift for daughters, nieces, and granddaughters, with its soft, friendly design that appeals across a wide age range. One of the standout features of this nightlight is its upgraded 5-level dimmable brightness, which can be easily controlled via a remote. This allows parents and children alike to adjust the light intensity to suit different needs, such as soft lighting for breastfeeding or diaper changes during the night without disturbing the baby. The remote control is user-friendly enough for young children, including toddlers, to operate from their beds, adding convenience and independence. The nightlight offers 16 different color options, providing a fun and engaging experience for kids. The ability to tap and change colors adds an interactive element that children enjoy, making it more than just a simple light source. Additionally, there are 4 lighting modes accessible through the remote, enhancing the versatility of the lamp. This feature is particularly appreciated by parents who want to soothe their children with gentle lighting or create a playful atmosphere. Powered by a built-in 1,800 mAh rechargeable battery, the One Fire Nightlight can last up to 15 hours on a full charge, making it portable and cordless. This portability means it can be taken from room to room, used during travel or even on camping trips. The lamp also includes an auto timer function with options for 15, 30, or 60 minutes, which helps conserve battery life and assists in establishing a bedtime routine. This timer feature is a thoughtful addition that benefits both children and parents by promoting restful sleep. Safety is a key concern for any product intended for children, and this nightlight addresses that with its soft silicone construction. The material is soft to the touch, similar to a squishy toy, and has been rigorously tested to ensure it is safe for babies who might drool on it or handle it roughly. The lamp's size is compact, roughly the size of the large mango, and it has a stable base to prevent tipping. This makes it suitable for toddlers and young children who may want to cuddle or hold the light. Customer feedback highlights the nightlight's bright and adjustable illumination, with many noting it is brighter than expected while still offering very dim settings. The color-changing feature and remote control receive praise for being easy to use and fun for kids. Parents appreciate the light's portability and the convenience of a rechargeable battery, although some mention that the battery life on a single charge can be limited to about 2 hours if used continuously without the timer. However, the timer function effectively mitigates this issue by automatically turning the light off after a set period. The nightlight has proven useful in various scenarios, including during power outages, where its brightness and portability have been especially valuable. Its soft, cuddly design makes it a comforting sleep companion for children, helping to ease fears of the dark and nightmares. The lamp's durability and safety features also make it a practical choice for young children who may be rough with their belongings. While the product is generally well received, a few users have noted the sensitivity of the touch controls, which may require gentle handling. The battery life, while sufficient for typical use, may not meet the needs of those who prefer to keep the light on for extended periods without recharging. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall consensus is that the One Fire Nightlight is a delightful and functional product that combines cute design with practical features. In summary, the One Fire Nightlight for Kids' Room is an excellent gift option for children and teens, offering a blend of fun, safety, and usability. Its remote-controlled dimming, multiple colors, rechargeable battery, and timer functions make it a versatile and user-friendly nightlight. The soft silicone material and appealing bunny design provide comfort and security, helping children feel safe and relaxed at bedtime. This product stands out as a thoughtful and charming addition to any child's room, and its positive reviews reflect its quality and appeal. If you have this nightlight, consider leaving a review to help other parents make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested.